Hi everyone, today I want to share the new paper pumpkin. This is the February 2020 paper pumpkin. It just came in the mail. It's a little later than usual because we had a post office holiday on Monday, so there was no mail. And so it sat there. So I'm really excited to get it. Let me open it up. It's now shrink wrapped, as you can see. So I'm going to fast forward this opening part. Okay, let's see what is in this kit. Okay, here's a flyer. It's talking about the Happy Birthday stamp set, and it is saying, let's see, that it coordinates with this stamp set that comes in the kit. So let's take a look at this stamp set. This beautiful flower kind of resembles the flowers along the cake, and there's a slice of cake. And let's see, the sayings say, "You're a great reason to," and then there's celebrate. Birthday, have a birthday. Wishes, so you can say birthday wishes. This one says lovely, so you can say have a lovely birthday. Congratulations. So it's really pretty, and I see what they're saying. They're saying that the flowers in the cake, the happy birthday stamp set, match the flowers, this giant flower here. So that's kind of pretty. Now if you already have this happy birthday stamp set, you're ready to go. But if you don't, you can get it free with a $50 purchase. Now it's not needed to complete the kit. The kit needs this one. So it's not needed. They're just trying to say that you can stretch your stamp set even further if you happen to have the happy birthday stamp set. And there's a die for this stamp set as well that cuts out. Let me see if I have it somewhere on my desk. I do. Okay, so the die cuts out the cake with the stand, but it also cuts out just the flowers, so you can pop them up higher and have some dimension. So it's kind of a cool die collection. Okay, so that coordinates, and that's what they're talking about here. And let's take a look at the spot. Rococo Rose. This would be a really pretty stamp set if you like to color or watercolor, any kind of coloring techniques. This is a beautiful stamp set. The slice of cake is really pretty. I really like this stamp set. Very nice stamp set. You can see it used here. So the kit makes 9 cards, full size. Ooh, look how pretty. Pretty, pretty. Just turning it over made me happy. Okay, let's open that up. Now, as always, if you did not order this kit, you just didn't get it, you didn't subscribe in time, let me know. I always order a few extras in case some of my customers missed out, and I can get you one. I don't have a ton, but I have a few. So you've got your glue dots, really pretty sequins, some dimensionals. And here are some die cuts. It looks like you don't even have to do a lot of stamping here. You're just going to use the die cuts. Now this is a faded little flower. I wonder, where's my picture? My instruction sheet. Here we go. So you're layering things on top of that. So this is kind of like a sponged background, and it looks like you're going to stamp directly on top of that. That'll be fun with that stamp, that large floral. That'll be pretty. You've got to stamp your cake. Oh, it's pre-stamped for you. So you're just adding the slice of the inner part of the cake. You're adding some sequins. This one is a beautiful cutout. So it's a really pretty stamp set. And you look at these envelopes. They're different than your traditional envelopes. That's a really pretty little envelope. And looks like there's 3 colors. Those are cute. Really fun full-size envelopes. You've got some really pretty accents here. I like the little holes on the side. Nice foil words. Oh, and they're puffy. These are puffy, stand-up, already thickened up for you. You don't have to add dimensionals behind there. Oh, this is a fun fold. I love fun folds. Look at that. It tucks in. So this is a super fun kit. You're going to want this one. If you didn't get it, let me know. I'll have a few. You're going to want this one, and you're going to love to color with it. This is a great kit. Another thing you can grab is the dies that cut out the cake. Maybe get this free with a $50 purchase. This is a really fun one. I also want to point out, while I've got you, that next month is the Paper Pumpkin's anniversary. So if you are thinking about subscribing, you're going to want to get next month because they're going to give you a kit that makes, you know, the whole cards with a stamp set and a spot. But in addition, you're going to get a second stamp set. And they've told us a little bit. They've told us that the stamp set is larger. So the ones that come in the paper pumpkin kit are kind of usually about this size. What is that, about 4 inches by maybe 3.5. They're saying this one is a little bit bigger footprint, so it's going to have a little bit more going on. I don't know what the theme of it is, but the picture shows a person wearing like a rain slicker and rain boots. So maybe some kind of May showers, umbrellas, maybe some floral. I'm not sure, but it'll be cute, and it's going to have an extra stamp set. So you're going to get 2 stamp sets in next month's kit. So you're going to want to subscribe to that one. I'm going to take that out of there. That doesn't go. All right, so here's this month's February Lovely Day, February 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Let me know if you'd like it. It's really fun. You've got these little cutouts. This is a really, really cute. This is going to go fast, people. The refills for this are going to fly. So you're going to want to grab this. Let me know quickly. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll come back